guys, welcome to our series Lawyers, a byproduct of our YouTube channel The Noble Litigators. Today, I'm Advocate Upasna, Legal Associate at the Law Offices of Kuvar VIVEK Tanwar, Advocate and Associates. We'll discuss one of the social level, that is, child labor. Within the child lies the fate of the future. Children are the greatest gift to humanity. We consider childhood as the golden age of one's life. But this does not seem true when they are forced to earn for their livelihood from the very beginning of their childhood. The age where they are supposed to learn and play are coerced to work in factories, offices, and for domestic help. The government has enacted various laws for eradicating this evil from the society. However, it is shame on the society that despite various attempts, the situation still exists in the deep roots of Indian society. The simple act of child labor is not a new concept. It exists from the ancient times where the children were part of cruel slavery system. However, there is a silver lining in the Mughal period when the Mughal Emperor Jahangir strictly prohibited child labor. But this did not last in the post-Jahangir regions. If we talk about the reasons responsible for child labor, the main factors that lead to child labor are poverty, unemployment of adult members of the family, migration from the rural to urban areas, agrarian social attitude of Indian society, and parental illiteracy, as uneducated parents consider education as an unnecessary investment. The first enactment to regulate child labor was Indian Factories Act 1881, and after the independence, the Indian Constitution guarantees to protect the child rights under various articles such as Article 23, Article 24, Article 45 and Article 243G read with Schedule 11th. The Indian government also enacted several other acts to protect the child rights and abolish child labours, such as the Factories Act 1948, the Child and Adolescent Labour Act 1986, the Mines Act 1952, Minimum Wages Act 1948, the Bonded Labour System Abolition Act, Juvenile Justice Act, the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2000. Every act prohibits the employment of a child below the age of 14 years, whereas the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2000 mandates the education of a child between 6 to 14 years of age. The government in 2015 approved a proposal to allow children below 14 years of age to work in entertainment and family enterprise with certain conditions. India has also ratified various international conventions on child labor. In 2016, the Parliament passed an amendment and imposed a complete ban on the employment of a child below the 14 years in certain occupations like beedi making, mines, power looms, and domestic works. Though there are numerous laws to protect the child rights, but the child labor is like an incurable disease that takes decades to cure. The enactment of laws on its own cannot eradicate this evil from our society. There should be a proper mechanism to ensure the proper and actual implementation of laws. Children are the future of the nation, so it is the collective responsibility of citizens, government, and society to provide a productive environment for children so that they can live up to their capabilities. That's all for today. I hope you all have liked our podcast channel. If so, then do please subscribe our channel, The Noble Litigators. You may ask questions, can suggest us for further improvements. And for any further query, contact us on our website advocatetanwar.com.